with many mines being very powerful, having sometimes several kilograms of explosive material. They should be handled with the highest caution, as one wrong move can be your last. But with Russian soldiers being poorly trained and lacking respect for the consequences, as their conditions are often poor at the front line, they are suffering more accident, often being the last mistake they make. With anti-personnel mines being bad enough to mess around with, anti-tank mines are a whole new level. With naval mines being one step up, you won't make this mistake twice, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.